Good afternoon to you. I think we're going to have a lot of red noses around today, but that's going to be from the bitterly cold wind that's picking up. Now, winter's certainly not finished, even across Europe, not least of all the British Isles. There's a lot of cloud across Europe. It remains unsettled. We have areas of low pressure there, as you can see. These areas of low pressure are going to continue to drift eastwards and produce some outbreaks of rain. But there is a big dividing line between the colder weather over Scandinavia, the much milder weather further south. In fact, it's exceptionally warm in parts of southeast Europe and into the Mediterranean. So if it's sunshine you're after, then that's really the place to head for. Mediterranean is going to enjoy a lovely weekend, dry, sunny and warm, whereas further north it looks like getting colder and colder and more unsettled. And that's certainly the theme for the British Isles at the moment. Low pressure on our doorstep, high pressure to the north, squeezed in between are these east to northeasterly winds that are getting stronger and colder all the while. So if you are going out this afternoon, I think you'll notice a difference from earlier on, or even more so from yesterday. Now, the big problem, I think, for tonight and tomorrow is that as this battle takes place between the cold and the warm, so it's going to produce a good deal of rain. That's most likely to occur through central and southern parts of England and Wales, and we do also have a risk of some snow too. Mostly sleet and wet snow, but I think over some of the hills there could well be some reasonable moderate falls, causing a little bit of disruption come the morning. This is the way things are looking at the moment on the radar picture and satellite picture. A lot of cloud across most central and southern areas. Already the next area of rain is beginning to develop down to the southwest. That's going to be the overnight rain, sleet and snow. It's a lot clearer in the north. I think for much of Scotland, the borders and the north of Northern Ireland, it'll be bright. There'll be some sunshine around. There will be some wintry showers in that northeastern corner. Quite cloudy and cold for the bulk of England and Wales, a little bit of drizzle here and there, and this heavier rain beginning to push into the southwest. After a mild start, already turning colder across England and Wales as that easterly wind is picking up. During this evening tonight, this band of rain will work its way further and further northwards, turning more and more to sleet and wet snow on its northern edge, and as I said a while ago, could well find some moderate falls of snow over parts of the Welsh hills and mountains, the Peak District for instance, even the Cotswolds. Over the next few days, as the winds drop out, then the emphasis is going to be shifting on to quite widespread frost night and morning. But over the weekend, we're going to have a long time to get rid of this raw weather in the south with rain, sleet and snow.